Hi, today in this video we are going to look how to give yoga asanas to your kids so they can improve their health and fitness. If anyone starts practicing yoga asanas in their childhood days, it will be more useful for them. So let's start with it. First asana for kids is Virasana, that is called as hero pose also. So to perform the Virasana, firstly you have to sit in Vajrasana. Keep your legs underneath your hip, keep your back straight, keep your spine straight, take a deep inhale, fully exhale it, and then spread your feet wide and touch your hips towards the floor. So put pressure on hands, spread your legs wide and try to sit on floor between your legs. This will improve your hip joint flexibility, your knee joint health. Try to sit at least 30 seconds in this pose. Keep your back straight and keep breathing. While releasing it, keep your hands on floor, give pressure on hands and again sit in Vajrasana. You can perform this asana 3-4 times in a session. Next asana for kids is Janu Shirsasana. Sit on your mat. Keep your both legs straight. Firstly, tuck in your left leg towards your right thigh. Keep your right leg straight. Now raise your hands, take a deep inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Try to hold your toe with both hands. Now bend your elbows and push your head towards the knee. Without lifting your knee, try to push your head down. If your head is not touching the knee, then no problem. Keep trying it. Practice will make you perfect. Now release it after holding 20 seconds. Perform with other leg. So keep your left leg straight. Tuck in your right leg. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale, bend forward. Again, hold your toe with both hands. Bend your elbows and push your head towards that knee. Keep breathing. Release after holding 20 seconds and sit in Sukhasana. Next asana for kids is butterfly pose. So for that, you have to fold your legs. Join your both feet with each other. Pull feet towards you. Hold your toe with hands. First, keep your back straight and sit straight. And now start shaking your legs. While doing this, focus on your thighs and legs. Keep breathing. After 20 seconds, stop shaking your legs and now you can push your head towards your feet. And with your elbows, try to push your knees down as much as possible. Hold this again for 20 seconds. Release it. Sit and again get back to Sukhasana. You can repeat butterfly pose for 2 to 3 times for 20 seconds each. Next asana for kids is happy baby pose. This is very simple asana to perform. For that, lie down on your back. Keep your legs totally straight. Now very slowly fold your both legs. Keep your knees bent. Try to hold your both big toe with your hands. And now pull your leg upward. Face your feet towards the ceiling. And hold this pose for longer duration. In starting, you can hold it for 1 minute. After practicing, you can extend it till 2 to 3 minutes. Very slowly release it. Keep legs straight and go in Shavasana. Next asana for kids yoga is boat pose, Naukasana. To perform the Naukasana, you have to sit on your mat. Keep your legs totally straight. Keep your back straight. Take a deep inhale. Exhale slowly. Drop your upper body down. Lift your legs. Keep your hands facing towards the toe. Balance on your body And now here you have to move your body up and down like a seesaw. This will create a good pressure on your stomach and it will help to strengthen your core. Slowly release it. So these are kids yoga asanas. With the time you can improve with this and extend the timings and add some more asanas that we'll see later. Before doing any asanas or yoga abhyas, you have to do some sort of warm up. So there will be link in the description of the warm up exercises you can perform. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and stay healthy.